Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to start cost accounting multiple choice question revisions from question number 344. Okay, I have already completed a revision up to question number 343, and now in this video, I would like to start from question number 344. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 344, cost ledger control account makes the cost ledger self-balancing. Yes, this sentence is true. Question number 345, fast in fast out method is followed for evaluation of equivalent production when prices are fluctuating. No, this sentence is false. False. Question number 346, standard cost and budgeted cost are interrelated and interdependent. No, standard cost and budgeted cost are not interrelated and not interdependent. Right. Question number 347, multiple costing is suitable for banking industry. No, this sentence also false. There is inverse relationship between batch size and carrying cost. No, this sentence also false. Then question number 349, marginal costing follows the identifiability wise classification of cost. No, this sentence also false. Marginal costing does not follow the identifiability wise classification of cost. Then question number 350, bin card is maintained by the costing department. No, bin card is not maintained by costing department, so this sentence is false. Question number 351, CS8 deals with the principles and methods of determining the direct expenses. No, this sentence is also false, because as we know that CS8 deals with CS8 deals with cost of utilities, cost of utilities, right? CS8 deals with cost of utilities, so this sentence is false. Then question number 352, fast in fast out method is followed for evaluation of equivalent production when prices are fluctuating. No, this sentence is also false. Profit volume ratio remains constant at all levels of activity. Yes, PV ratio remains constant at all levels of activity. This sentence is true. Okay, then the principal factor is the starting point for the preparation of various budget. Yes, this sentence is also true. Overtime premium is directly assigned to cost object. Yes, premium, if any, paid through overtime is directly assigned to cost object. So this sentence is also true. Then statement, while reconciliation statement is made, expenses shown only in financial account are added to financial profit. Yes, this sentence is also true. In reconciliation statement, while doing reconciliation between cost account and profit and financial account, expenses shown only in financial account are added to financial profit. Right. Then question number 357, profit volume ratio dash with increase in fixed cost indicate the nature of change. Profit volume ratio is constant with increase in fixed cost. Okay, so profit volume ratio remains constant with increase in fixed cost. Right. Then question number 358, in the graph showing the angle of incidence, when the quantity is 0, the total cost line, the cost axis, y axis are dash. Right answer will be fixed cost value. In the graph showing the angle of incidence when the quantity is 0, the total cost line, the cost axis, that is y axis, at fixed cost value. Then question number 359, a process account is credited with value for dash loss when scrap value is 0. Indicate type of loss. So here right answer will be abnormal loss. Process account credited with value for abnormal loss when scrap value is 0. Right. Question number 360. When special material is purchased for direct use in a job, dash account is debited in the integral account system. Right answer will be work in progress account. Work in progress control account. When special material is purchased for direct use in a job, work in progress control account is debited in the integral account system. Okay. Then question number 361. 361. VED analysis is primarily used for control of dash. Indicate the type of material, components or spare parts. VED analysis is primarily used for control of components or spare parts. VED analysis. VED means, as we know, that vital, essential, and desirable. VED analysis is primarily used for control of components or spare parts. Right. Question number 362. Administration overhead are usually absorbed as a percentage of dash. Right answer will be work cost. Administration overheads are usually absorbed as a percentage of work cost. Question number 363. Variable cost per unit remains fixed. Variable cost per unit remains fixed. Right. Question number 364. Bin card shows dash details of materials. Bin card shows quantitative details of materials. Okay. This is very important. Then question number 365. Sum of material price variance and material usage variance is equal to dash variance. Very important also. Sum of material price variance and material usage variance is equal to material cost variance. Means you can say material MPV, material price variance, plus material usage variance, okay, is equal to material cost variance. Right. Material price variance plus material usage variance is equal to material cost variance. Question number 366. Contribution earned on break-even sales equals to dash of the firm. Contribution earned on break-even sales equals to fixed cost of the firm. Contribution earned on break-even sales equal to fixed cost of the firm. This is also important. Profit divided by profit volume ratio is equal to, this formula is margin of safety. Remember, profit divided by profit वॉल्यूम रेशियो इज इक्वल टू मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी. और उसका और एक इजी आंसर है, इजी फॉर्मूला है, सेल्स माइनस ब्रेक इवन सेल्स. ओके, सेल्स माइनस ब्रेक इवन सेल्स इज इक्वल टू मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी. प्रॉफिट divided by profit volume ratio is also margin of safety. Right. Then question number 368. Budget is a quantitative and or a dash statement. Right answer will be financial. Quantitative as well as financial statement. Right. This one also important. Then fixed cost per unit dash varies with the number of units. Right answer will be inversely. Fixed cost per unit inversely varies with the number of units. Then question number 370. An activity level of 1000 hour cost is rupees 10,000 and an activity level for 2000 hour, the total cost is rupees 16,000. Right. The cost of 3000 hours of level of activity is how much? So see, the question asked about an activity level of 1000 hour cost is 10,000 and an activity level for 2000 hour at total cost is 16,000. So the cost of 3000 hour of level of activity is how much? Very easy question. First see, activity level for 1k hour is equal to 10,000. Then activity level for 2k will be 16,000 given. So in this way, activity level for 3000 hour will be 16,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 22,000, because here 6,000 increased, okay, per 1000 hour, per 1000 hour 6,000 in total cost increased. So in this way, right answer will be 22,000. Then question number 371, dash is must for meaningful inter-firm comparison. Right answer will be uniform costing. Uniform costing is must for meaningful inter-firm comparison. Uniform costing is must for meaningful inter-firm comparison. Right. Then question number 372, prime cost is the aggregate of all. Right answer will be direct expenses. Prime cost is the aggregate of all direct expenses. Question number 373, store ledger is maintained by costing department. Remember, store ledger is maintained by costing department. Right. Then question number 374, distribution of all items of overheads to product or department is known as dash. Right answer will be apportionment and allocation. Distribution of all items of overheads to product or department is known as apportionment allocation. Question number 375, the overtime worked at the request of customer is treated as direct wages. The overtime worked at the request of customer is treated as direct wages. The excess of total cost of production of an article over the direct material cost is known as conversion cost. The excess of total cost of production of an article over the direct material cost is known as conversion cost. Right. Then question number 377, charging of identifiable items of cost to cost center is known as direct cost. Charging of identifiable items of cost to cost center is known as direct cost. This one also important. Then question number 378, the objective of wage incentive is to improve what? Right answer will be productivity. Okay. Question number 379, bin card is maintained by dash department. Right answer will be bin card is maintained by storekeeper or store personnel. Storekeeper or store personnel. Then question number 380, the total of all indirect expenditure is called as overheads. The total of all indirect expenses is called as overheads. Okay. Then question number 381, the abnormal idle time cost is charged to dash account. The abnormal idle time cost is charged to costing profit and loss account. The abnormal idle time cost is charged to costing profit and loss account. Then question number 382, store ledger is maintained by dash department. Right answer will be costing department. Store ledger is maintained by costing department. Then question number 383, interest on capital is an example for dash cost. Right answer will be opportunity notional imputed cost. Interest on capital is an example for opportunity as well as notional as well as imputed cost. Remember, this one is important. Interest on capital is an example for you can say opportunity cost, or you can say notional cost, or you can say imputed cost. Then question number 384, variable overhead are absorbed by product based on dash level of capacity utilization. Right answer will be actual. actual level of capacity utilization. Variable overheads are absorbed by product based on actual level of capacity utilization. Then question number 385. In a textile factory, yarn is starched, vapor it is made into textile. The cost of starch is direct material. The right answer will be direct material. Textile factory where yarn is starched before it's made into textile is called cost of starch is direct material. Then question number 386. The actual capacity of a manufacturing unit based on a temporary sales expectancy is 10,000 unit due to lack of orders. The practical capacity is 11,500 unit. Then 1,500 unit will be, you can say, ideal capacity. Okay, वो ये बोल रहा है कि द एक्चुअल कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट बेस्ड ऑन टेम्पररी सेल्स एक्सपेंडिचर 10,000 यूनिट ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ ऑर्डर. Actual practical capacity is 11,500. Then 1,500 unit will be ideal capacity. Then question number 387. E is an exporter who relinquishes his right to a receivable due to a future debt in exchange for immediate cash payment at an agreed discount, passing on all the risk and responsibility for collecting the debt to B. This arrangement is called, a very important question, this arrangement is called as forfeiting. Okay, forfeiting. An exporter who relinquishes his right to a receivable due at a future debt in exchange for immediate cash payment, in excess of immediate cash payment at an agreed discount, passing on all the risk and responsibilities for collecting the debt to B. This arrangement is called as forfeiting. Okay, then question number 388. In a certain factory, normal capacity was 50,000 unit. Actual capacity utilization is equal to 52,000 unit. Then fixed production overhead should be absorbed based on dash capacity. In this way, fixed production overhead should be absorbed based on actual capacity. Because in a certain factory, normal capacity was given 50,000 unit, actual capacity utilization given 52,000 unit. So fixed production overhead should be absorbed based on actual capacity. Then question number 389. X factory outsources the manufacturing of a major component to a contractor. The transportation of the component of X factory premises is borne by X. This transportation cost will be treated as dash cost. The right answer will be material cost. Then question number 390. In the dash method of pricing material issues, where the prices are falling, profit will rise. Right answer will be LIFO. In the LIFO method, LIFO means last in first out. In the LIFO method of pricing material issues, where the prices are falling, profit will rise. Okay, then question number 391. In India, commercial papers can be issued in multiple of rupees dash. In India, commercial papers can be issued in multiples of rupees 5 lakh. This question also very important. Okay, then question number 392. When raw material is accounted as standard cost, variance due to normal reason will be treated as direct material cost. When raw material is accounted at standard cost, variances due to normal reason will be treated as direct material cost. Then cost of idle hour into hourly rate incurred by a worker directly working on a product is treated as factory overhead or work overhead. Question number 394. Royalty payable based on the right to sell is treated as is known as dash. The right answer will be selling overhead or selling and distribution overhead. Royalty payable based on the right to sell, given that based on right to sell is treated as selling overhead or selling and distribution overhead. Right. Question number 395. When time saved is equal to time taken, then earnings of a worker under Halsey plan and Rowan plan are the same. When time saved is equal to time taken, and then earnings of a worker under Halsey plan and Rowan plan are the same. Then question number 396. The difference between actual and absorbed factory overhead is called overheads. The difference between actual and absorbed factory overhead is called overheads. Question number 397. Under absorption of dash result in higher amount of profit. Right answer will be overhead. Under absorption of overhead result in higher amount of profit. Remember, under absorption of overhead results in higher amount of profit. जितना लो होगा overhead absorption, it will result in higher amount of profit. And the difference between actual and absorbed factory overhead is called overheads. Okay, then question number 398. Direct expenses incurred for brought out resources shall be determined at invoice price. Remember, invoice price. Direct expenses incurred for brought out resources shall be determined at invoice price. Then question number 399. Total cost plus profit is equal to selling price. Total cost plus profit is equal to selling price. Then question number 400. In dash system, basis of wages payment is the quantity of work. Piece rate. In piece rate system, basis of wages payment is the quantity of work. Okay, so आज के वीडियो में इतने ही. इसके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 401. Okay, so thank you for your time and thank you for your support. You just need to download my video and revise as many times as possible and watch as many times as possible. Okay, so this is it, all about multiple choice questions of cost accounting up to 400 questions. Thank you.